Please listen, everybody open your project today, because today we will learn how to create this legend, the title, the north arrow, scale bar, and how to give your information. Okay, because you need to submit your assignment 25th April. So that's why before that you need more time. You need more time. That's why I will just give you some information about the legend creation. So please, now I think we can start now. Please listen how to, please listen. Look at these things. The view, data view and layout view. There is two views here. Listen, the data view where we are working. The layout view, how to rearrange everything on the basis of maps. Okay, so look at these things: view, layout view, this layout view, and you can also click the layout view from here. Layout view, data view. When you just click this layout view, then on of the layout tools active. So you can use this zoom out and so many things you can open. But listen on thing, this is important. This zoom in only show you the item, but you cannot change any item from here. But this is the data view. You can also apply these things, these areas. Okay, suppose I am just delete some of the things from here. So look at the screen. This is your original, as for example, shape. If you want to increase it, you can use this zoom in. If you want, suppose look at. But that, if you want to move it, you can. Okay. Suppose this is your text area. Okay. Now you need to show your every item. These areas. Look at this thing. These areas. So the first item, as for example, the first item, suppose look at these things. This is the whole page. If you increase some of the item, if you want to go to the original shape, then you need to just click the whole page. But if you click these areas, then the shape will change. Okay. Then the shape will change. So what you need to do, you need to first give the title. Are you listening my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the first item, that is your title. Today we will learn the insert all the item. Text, the title. When I just click the title, it will show me the name of that title. Look. Then you need to double click it. When you double click it, you need to delete it. And you need to write this name. So roadmap, enter, then okay. Suppose this map, just a minute. Just a minute. Pur Shodor, okay. Just I am clicking these things by using this select element. This select element, double click it. Then write the name, road map, then Upazila Shador, you can write your name, your areas. If any spelling mistake, please tell me. So this is Dinajpur Sador. Okay. So please make it.
Sir, how sir? Please again, sir.
You need to go to the insert, click the title. Suppose this is your title, double click it, then delete it. Insert title, delete it, then you need to write. To change the text, you need to double click again, go to the change symbol. Okay, change symbol, look at these things. Change symbol, then you need to use this Time New Roman. Then if less text you need it, you can use it. Then if you need bold, you can use the bold, italics. If you need another color, you can use the another color, as for example. Another color, any type of color you can. Then you can move it here. Okay. So this is your, but your, this should be this area. Okay. So your title. If you uncheck it, then your roadmap Upazila, the red color I am just showing you just for highlighting, not for this thing. It should be the black. Okay. Okay, it should be the black. Then the next item, north arrow and scale bar. So north arrow, please finished it. This item finished it, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing is scale bar. North arrow. Look at these things, north arrow. You can click this north arrow. Our north arrow is look like that. So select it. Again, insert north arrow. Click the north arrow and OK. And put it where you want. Okay. Then scale bar. Make it. Insert scale bar. So you can use the scale bar with the item you want, you can. Okay, suppose we are using the on bar scale bar. Okay, so this is our scale bar. Next thing, the more important thing, that is legend. The more important thing is a legend. So please finished it, then we will go to the legend. Finished it, quickly finished it, then we will go to the legend.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay. Next is the legend. This is, so please active your everything now. Active it. Your location. Suppose this person, there is no river. That's why this is not the river item. So road, I am just doing some on work so that you can understand the exact figure. Okay. Now I am just make this things. Then insert legend. Legend is there so many work inside there. So you need to do this thing. So I will give the task how to make it. You will arrange it. You need to move these things here. Listen, this is your legend part. You need to move it. Okay, you need to move it here. This, not like that. Your map, you need to increase it. You need to increase your map like that. If it is more bigger, then make it small. Okay, but as much as you can, so that. So this is your legend, you can move it. So this is your fixed, as for example, fixed item. So uncheck it. This is your fixed item, as for example. You can move it by the using this pen. So this is now the legend. You need to put your legend here. So how to make it? Look at the screen again. The legend. So you need to active the all the thing. Then all the legend item is here. Next. Then next, finish. So your legend is here. Now you need to move it beside that, so that you can rearrange it. Okay, you can rearrange it. Finished it? This part, please tell me. Hello, are you listening my voice?
Yes, sir. Sorry again, please.
Okay, insert legend. Then next, because your all items should be without the JPG. Please don't insert here. Without the JPG, you need to. Okay, then next. Next, finish. So this is the easiest way. So many inside, there is so many talk. I'm just escape that type of thing. Okay, just this thing I am just giving to you. So now you need to edit it. So I am just make it the screen more bigger so that we can see it. Everyone seeing these things? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how to edit it? Look at the screen. I am just clicking this selection. This is the selection. I am just using this tool selection. Right button click. First you need to convert to graphic. Everyone please make it convert to graphic. Make it. Convert to graphs. Please make it fast. Okay, so the graph now convert it. Okay, now next is right button click and ungroup. Ungroup. Because here is so many things is unnecessary. Suppose this item, some of this item null. So you need to delete these things. Sometimes you need to edit this symbol. Sometimes you need to rearrange, sometimes you need to correct this name, so you can. So right button click, ungroup. So now all the items are ungrouped now. So suppose this item we do not need it, delete it. This item we do not need it, delete it. This item, okay. So this is our legend. Suppose this district, unfortunately you are just giving this D is a small. So what you need to do? You need to edit it. Again right button click, ungroup it. So now these two things now ungroup. Then double click it and make it okay. Suppose this symbol is too big, as for example. On your screen, if it is too big. So suppose this symbol is too big here. So what you need to do? Someone are facing some problem because your map may not be like portrait. Yes or no? Someone map is the landscape. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So if your map is landscape, you need to change this rearranging. So file, paste and printer setup. You need to go there. Then you need to make it landscape. If your map is landscape, you need to click it. Don't forget it. Okay. Paste setup, file, page and printer setup. If your map is landscape, this is the portrait map. If your map is landscape, so you need to make it landscape. Okay. So now again, I'm just going there to use this. Please don't use these things. You need to use it. So this symbol, how to this symbol edit? If you click it and double click it, you can't look at this thing. You cannot. But again, right button click and ungroup. So now here is the things. You can double click. If you want to make it small, you can. Okay, apply and okay. Look at this thing. So now the next is, if you want to move it, again select these two items and group it. Any question? Please tell me.
Sir, again, please, sir. How we ungroup, sir?
So look at the high school. Ungroup. Suppose high school, you are just giving the high school is okay. So then this right button click ungroup it. So you can move it here again, and the listen, here is the another box. You need to delete it. Don't forget it. Unnecessary everything you need to delete. Then double click it and reduce it. Suppose this is 15 as for example. Then you can make it 15. And again select it and group it. And if you finish everything like that, because listen, this time these areas, I'm just again make it here. So you will, the name of the title is socio-economic infrastructure. Okay, so you need to write it socio-economic infrastructure. Don't forget it. Okay, don't forget it. This is the person are using the wrong thing because there is some problem. But this thing should be the accurate. So your legend, the name legend, look at these things, you need to put it here. Suppose I am just shifting two of the thing. Look at these things, I am just shifting these things. And move it, just click it and move it here. Suppose this area, as for example. Then you need to change the location name. Double click it and change it as a socio-economic. Please listen, next class you need to show your every map, because next class your class performance will be tested. So you need to show your everything. GIS, all the work you need to show. If anyone fail to show it, then it will create some problem. So this is your socio-economic. So you will move it and put it here. And the other name you need to delete it, as for example. So this is the area. Then yeah. So you need to arrange everything like that. Okay. then high school, so many things is here. So you need to finish these things according to your requirement. So which types of a hospital, as for example, if you need hospital, you need to put it here, how to correct it, madrasa and everything. Because your area is this area. How much you need to decrease the item depend on your, suppose as for example, look, I am clicking the on by on, look, on by on. This means if I printed these things, it look like that, on by on is to one. Okay, so suppose this is 15, so you need to make it again, ungroup, then madrasa, double clicked it, come on, giving all the small, it's not correct. Okay, then madrasa, then again ungroup, so you need to move it again. Here is the another item, you need to delete it, then double click it, make it suppose 15, apply and okay. So then you need to move it like. So after finishing all the things, suppose as for example, after finishing the socio-economic all the things, then road all the things, then right button click like that. Look, you need to make it group. So it's a on thing now. Any problem? Please tell me. Please tell me. It is clear for you. You understand these things? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So you need to.
Sir, clear, sir.
So yes. So your every item you need to shift it here and prepare these things because your legend is here. So on the basis of that, your name, your every item. First you will make it. Listen, every item. Suppose this is your legend. As for example, you need to move it here. Then socio-economic, then your physical infrastructure, then your natural features, then your administrative boundary. You will make the legend, okay, and then below your symbol with the name, you need to show it the below. Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to the another thing. So you will prepare on the basis of that. So look at these things, the map. I'm just going to the map just now. Look, here is the 40 degree to 40 minutes, 50 minutes. So 5-minute difference here. Yes or no? Because you need to give this bar, east and north bar. Okay, and here is the distance is 45 and 40, so 5 minutes difference. So we need to create the grid. So I am just going these areas again. This is our map. Okay, I checked it. This is our map. The symbol should be more. It's too much actually symbol. The person who had just made this thing should be less font because there is too much font area. They need to, it should be small. Okay, it's overlaps so many areas. Please don't do this because I told everybody, please, every item free, not more than that. Clear my concept? At least
Yes, sir.
3 and maximum 5, not more than that. That this person is just prepared all the things, but it's a clumsy thing. Okay, now the how to make the legend. Okay, listen, look at these things. You can, this is your border, you can move it, this is your border. Okay, so now I'm just moving this thing. By using the select tool, I am just moving. Listen, sometimes if your test problem, then you can rearrange these things left or right side, no problem. Okay. So now everyone go to the data frame properties. I think we need to reconnect it again because please listen. Another important thing, that's the grid. how to give the grid. So view data frame properties. View, go to the data frame properties. Okay, and then go to the grid. If suppose, listen, if you create your grid, if any problem, you can remove from here. Okay, the same process, remove from here. So new grid, then next, then label only. Look at this thing, label only. Then you need to give it the label only, delete the degree and put it 0, degree should be 0, and your minute, that is 5 minutes. So we will put the 5 minutes. Okay, put the 5 minutes, second is 0. So label only, next, next, finish, apply, and okay. Look at these things. Your now map is grid-wise. So if you
Sir, please one more time, please.
Okay, okay, I'll do this. Look at these things. So 5 degree, you can. So I am just deleting these things. View, data frame properties, remove it. Listen on thing. Before, please, the 5 minutes depend on, please listen. I am just show you something. From 1 degree to another degree, it's a 5 minute difference. That's why I am giving it. If the minute is 10 minutes in your map, you will give the 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please
Okay, sir.
don't give my because here my map shows the 5 minutes. That's why I'm giving the 5 minutes. Okay. So please again unchecked. Then please you will prepare all the thing. Next class you need to show it to me. That's why view, data frame properties, then new grid, then next, then label and tick, degree is 0, all the degree 0. Suppose if you want to give the second, minute 0 second, so 5 minutes, 5 into 60. So you need to put it here. Okay, I am just giving the minute directly. That's why this is minute. If I give it here 0, then I need to put it 300 second. Okay. So the next, finished, apply, and okay. So now please practice this whole things, and I am just calling your name on by on. Okay. Next class, please prepare to show me the work. This is count as your class performance. It's a very vital role. So please everybody manage the computer, otherwise you will facing problem.